Okay, my name is Carlo CARDINALI. I'm agriculture engineer. I work almost already 15 years with plant protection, and more recently, the last 5 years, I'm working with biocontrol, biostimulants, and I just graduated this year. I finished my master's in biocontrol technologies, and I'm working at FIBL. FIBL is the Research Institute of Organic Agriculture. It's one of the leading institutes in the field of organic agriculture. I'm working here in Switzerland, at the Unity here in Switzerland, but we also have unities in Austria, in Germany, in France. So it's more or less a bit throughout Europe. It's a good question. First, I use the tools to teach myself. I find the Academy, Biostimulant Academy, really useful. It has really a broad knowledge from the basics of biostimulant concepts, from development also of a biostimulant, regulation information that's not hard. It's hard that I find it's hard to find in other sources online. So I found also a reliable source of information. So the first way I used it was to teach myself, to broaden my knowledge on biostimulants. And I forgot to say, at FIBL we do applied research, but also we do knowledge transfer to the farmers. So we do advisory work to the farmers. So the second way that I use the tool is to prepare the lectures, prepare the information that I bring to the farmers regarding biostimulants on events, on field days. So I use as a tool to bring the knowledge of biostimulants to the farmer. I don't use directly to teach the farmers, but I use the tool on my presentations to build my knowledge to transfer it to the farmers. Learn by myself. I use the tool mainly to build PowerPoint materials. That I can later use these PowerPoint materials in field days, or even in a lecture with the farmers, or in the training with the farmers here at the institution. That's the way that I use the most. So I found the tool, the Biostimulant Academy, really good to know the important concepts inside the biostimulant that I need to transfer to the farmers and to the growers. I use more the video, of course. I like the length of the videos. It's short videos with a strong message. And I use also the PDF as a reference material for building also the PowerPoint lectures and training materials. I did the quiz at the end. I enjoyed it also. It's good to have some interaction at the end. I find the differential of the platform is that you have the content that I found relevant, so it's not superficial. So me as a scientist, I found the content with a lot of information, and also in an adequate length. So it's not the lectures, or the information is really summarized to deliver in a strong message. What do you need to know about biostimulants in each of different aspects that are important for the development and also for adoption, from the regulation, from the basics content until the final adoption with the farmers with those case studies. On my view, it has already everything that I needed to know, to broaden my knowledge on biostimulants. Maybe suggestion will bring, of course, we had those case studies, but maybe even more practical studies at the end with maybe a, how can I say, economic evaluation. A case of economic evaluation of biostimulant would close the academy